Hey guys, Sparkle here, back in our video, and it is day 3 of my mini vacation. We leave tomorrow morning. I'm not sure what we're going to do today. I know we're probably going to go out to dinner later, but other than that, I don't know what we're going to do today, but yeah. Alright, so it is 2:01, and I just took a bath. My dad's going to pick up some Burger King for lunch. I'm going to get some chicken fries, which if you don't know what that is, they're basically just chicken in the shape of a fry. So I'm going to get that. Noah's going to get like some Subway or something. And yeah, I'm going to film a creative sim video soon. Obviously, it's not going to have voiceover because I didn't bring the mic with me. But yeah, it's just going to be a fun little creative sim video with some music in the background. Oh, here's Noah. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so before I get started on my creative sim, I'm going to join Royal High to try for the Halo. I'm not sure what this is to play your mind blocks, but let's go ahead and join Royal High. Why do I look like this? What is going on? Noah, come see this. How did this happen? Is this somebody else's avatar? Okay.
Now you're gray.
Alright, I don't know what's happening. I think that was somebody else's avatar and it was glitching out, but I'm gonna try for the Halo now and then film my creative sim video. So I didn't get the Halo, but I just noticed something kind of weird. So you may have noticed that in the also section of the accessories, there's this tiara, but I just noticed that now there's also this pen. So I don't know what these are and why they're off sale, but it's kind of weird. Okay, so the Sims is loaded up, and I'm gonna get started on my creative sim now, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so it is 2:50. I just finished my creative sim. I'm gonna take some screenshots for the thumbnail now. And yeah, my dad should be back with food soon. So yeah. Alright, food is here. I got my chicken fries, and I'm going to eat. Okay, so it's been a little while since I filmed last. It's like 7 o'clock, and we're gonna go eat at the Cheesecake Factory. We're gonna go in about like 15-20 minutes, and yeah. So I'm gonna give you guys a bit of a sneak peek to my creative sim video coming up. So I posted this on my Instagram, which is linked in the description. And yeah, it's a little bit of a sneak peek, or maybe it's not a sneak peek, maybe it's already out for you, but yeah. Okay, we're here, but change of plans, we're going to P.F. Chang's instead of Cheesecake. Okay, original plan, we're going to Cheesecake because the wait was too long at P.F. Chang's. Okay, we're sitting down at Cheesecake. I hope you can hear me. It was a bit of a wait, but I just hope that the food doesn't take that long. Yeah. But I'm going to get the fettuccine pasta. What are you going to get?
Well, it's bow tie.
Bow tie pasta. What are you going to get?
Same.
Same?
Yeah.
So,
I already messed up mine.
Noah. Okay, so we are back in the hotel room. It was actually sprinkling a little bit outside. Luckily, it wasn't raining too hard. But yeah, I picked out a red velvet cheesecake to eat later. I think Noah got like a Oreo one or something. But yeah, we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night. So I will see you guys in the morning. Bye! Alright guys, so we are heading home. I think I'm going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed spending my mini vacation with me. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!